Yes, good morning, everyone. Welcome for our RTL Online Trainings and Placements. Myself, this is Chandra. I am here to take up Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management, Redwood, and Artificial Intelligence. Okay, so we are going to have three demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So we are going to have three demo sessions. After these three demo sessions, the regular classes starts from Thursday. Regular classes starts from Thursday. So 8:30 to 9:30. That's our class time. 8:30 a.m. IST to 9:30 or 9:45. Maybe 10 minutes additionally extended. Okay. So that's about the timings for us. Okay. So here, these 3 days we are going to discuss. These 3 days we are going to discuss about complete cloud and Redwood, artificial intelligence. Right now in IT industry, what the companies are expecting. Recently, Oracle company also has done the layoffs. Then how about job opportunities? If we want to be in the recruitment process, then what are all the things we have to learn? Okay, so this is all we are going to discuss. So we are based out in Hyderabad. This is our corporate office address in high-tech city. And this is our branch office, which is there in Ameerpet. And this is our admin number for any communication, 8855589062. If you have any doubts, you can call to them and discuss. In case if they are not lifting, then put the WhatsApp message, they'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. So before we start with Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management. So the course name is Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP SCM with Redwood and artificial intelligence. With Redwood and artificial intelligence. That's the course. So, but before we go ahead with this, first we have to understand what is cloud, what is ERP, what is fusion applications, what is supply chain management, and what is this two new things are introduced in supply chain, Redwood and artificial intelligence. What exactly we are going to do in that? That's what we are going to discuss. So I'm going to start right from very basics. People who are already working in the ERP sector. Some people might be already working in some ERPs like SAP or PeopleSoft or Oracle EBS or some other ERPs. Maybe 10-15 minutes you will get bored because I'm going to start right from the basics. But after 10-15 minutes, definitely it's going to be our track. Okay. Because there might be some new people who are freshers, okay, who does not have the idea about the cloud or who does not have the idea about the ERP sector, supply chain management like that. Okay. So first I'll start with what is meant by cloud? What is meant by cloud? Can anybody tell? You can unmute yourself and you can tell me what is meant by cloud. What is cloud? Yeah, go ahead. Anything. Maybe it is right or wrong, doesn't matter. No problem.
I guess it is a platform.
Okay.
Cloud is a place where the company manages to store the softwares, datas.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's kind of the remote network actually, so handling the servers and then in that.
Yes. Yes. So cloud is nothing but it's an virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Nowadays, everybody we are using servers. Sorry, everybody we are using cloud, but we don't know actually. We don't know that this is a cloud. For example, let's say YouTube is there. Is this YouTube content is stored in your laptop? No. Is it stored in your office server? No. Then where it is stored? Where this content is stored? We don't know. Because YouTube company stored this content somewhere in US or UK or somewhere, maybe in India also. They have established data centers. In that data centers, they have stored this data. Even Facebook or Instagram, whatever the information we are able to see in our laptop, this we are accessing from their servers. Okay, so that those all comes under the virtual servers. So cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. So last 10 years, every client has started using this cloud environment. They started using this virtual servers because it's very difficult nowadays for the customers to maintain their complete information. It's expensive. It's unsecured. It's very difficult to go ahead with the upgrades. It's difficult to use the best tools because the product tools, whatever the companies they are going to develop, they are not giving outside. They are going to keep it in their servers. They are asking to subscribe to their server and start using those tools and products. Then obviously we have to move into the cloud environment. Okay. So cloud is nothing but a virtual servers. Who are providing this cloud features or services? Who are providing these services? Okay. So what are the cloud companies we have mainly? What are the cloud companies we have? AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, GCP, Google Cloud providers, then Oracle. After that, there might be small and medium scale we may find. But the top four, if we talk, what are different cloud companies are AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle. What these companies are doing is they established data centers across the world. They have established data centers across the world. In that data centers, they have configured the latest cloud computing technology, high-end configuration servers, high-end configuration servers with the latest cloud computing technology. Okay, so in these data centers, they have the servers. Now, what these companies are offering to the clients is, for example, you have a client, let me, Birla Sun Life Insurance. Birla Sun Life Insurance. What is this client? Insurance company. This client is insurance company, right? So their business is complete insurance sector. They are into the insurance sector. Let's say they have around 50,000 customers they have. And they have 22,000 employees they have to maintain all these insurances under them. And let's say they have 120 branches. 120 branches they have. So to maintain all these day-to-day business transactions for this client, so they have total 1,50,000 customers, 22,000 employees they have, and 120 branches they have. All these employees every day they'll come to office and log into the applications. They might be using multiple softwares, right? They might be using multiple software applications. They might be using multiple software applications. They are going to enter day-to-day transactions, day-to-day business transactions, maybe procurement or sales or insurance enrollment, expiration, whatever the day-to-day business they are doing it. So all that information they are going to maintain in the softwares. So that's what happening. Actually, their server, everything, their softwares, everything is taken care by the client. They have DBS 24/7. They have the admin team, they have the network team, they have a cyber security team, and they have software development team, IT support team. So everything they are taking care. Now, what these companies are telling is, what these companies are telling to the clients are, actually your business is insurance company. This is what actually your business. But you got struck up more into the IT business. You got struck up more in the IT operations. Why don't you give all these IT operations to us? We'll take care of it. You have recruited the DBAs, admins, network admins, and you have recruited the cyber security to take care of the hacking and other things. Okay. So why don't you give your complete server management to our companies? Because we are in the business to maintain all your servers 24 by 7. We take care of it. You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry about your application is down or no downtime from our server's point of view. That's what the cloud. So clients earlier, what happened? If they wanted to use some products, software products or software tools, they used to buy the licensed software from that particular product company, and they used to install in their servers and start using it. That's a procedure. That's a general procedure. But now what the cloud companies are telling is, we have already installed that software in our servers. Directly, you can start using our servers, where your servers are located in data centers. Almost these companies are established around 30 to 40 data centers, each company across the world. So AWS, I think 44, Azure is 41, Oracle 40 data centers across the world, 40. About Google, I think 47 data centers. In India, Oracle has established 2 data centers. One is in Hyderabad, another one is in Mumbai. You can search it in Google also. So why establishing these data centers across the world in every region is, obviously the customers, for example, Birla Sun Life Insurance is basically India-based client, India-based insurance company. So if you say that my servers are located in US, why don't you use our servers, install your softwares in my servers, and start using your employees? Then it's very difficult to get that customer into the cloud, right? Instead of that, we have established data centers in India. We established in Mumbai and Hyderabad. Why don't you start using our service? So you all 120 branches, employees, every day they'll come to office, connect to the internet. Through internet, they'll be connecting to my data centers. Like how we will connect to the Gmail, how we will connect to the YouTube, how we will connect to the Facebook or LinkedIn or any application through internet or intranet, right? Any one of this. So the same way the clients can connect with the data centers and start using the application. Our company will take care 24 by 7, make sure that your applications are safe and running, performance and everything. That's where the customers are getting impressed to come to the cloud. So last 6, 7 years, most of the clients are moving to the cloud, but still some clients feel that it's unsecured. So due to security reasons or due to some limitations, still they are thinking, but going forward, it's mandatory because these 4 companies, whatever the tools or products they develop, they'll put it only in their servers. They are not giving outside. For example, Oracle recently developed one of the analytics tool called Fusion Data Intelligence. Fusion Data Intelligence. One of the excellent tool. It's one of the excellent analytical tool. It's one of the excellent analytical tool. So, but client is also interested using this tool. But what Oracle says, I can't give this tool outside. You must be a customer for my cloud because this is a cloud-based tool, cloud-based subscription tool. You can't download this. It's as simple as most of the applications nowadays are cloud-based subscription. If you say, very few, I think so. You can download, you can make the payment and download the licensed software and install in your local machine. Very few companies, very few products, but most of the products are cloud-based. So the advantage for the product companies, they can easily update their product and make sure that every client is using the latest version so that I don't need to worry about, okay, which version you are using, what problem is there. I don't need to maintain separate support team for old version, support team for the new version. It's very difficult for product company, right? That's why what they are telling, we are developing all tools and products are completely cloud based. You should come to the cloud. Maybe today or tomorrow or after some time, definitely you should come to the cloud only because I'm not giving my tools and products to you outside, right? There is an advantages. There is major advantage for the customers. Yeah. Okay. So that's why most of the companies are moving their complete IT operations to the cloud. So only they have to maintain their software engineers, data storage, data maintenance, security, admin part, network part, completely taken care by the cloud companies. 24 by 7, they'll take care of it. You can have only your software IT team. They'll also connect every day to the servers and start working on it. You don't need to worry about the installation. You don't need to worry about the migrations, upgradations, backups. Everything will be taken care by the company, and which is very less expensive compared to your individual server maintenance. This we call it as on-premise. On-premise means every customer is having their own server. That's what on-premise is. That is what happening last 30 years, 30 or 35 years. Every client, they have their own servers. They have installed their softwares in the server and start doing. Whenever the latest version release into the market, they'll go for upgrade. I'm sorry. Okay. So now the cloud environment, a lot of features, digitalization, integrations, and you are always ready to access the latest versions. You don't need to worry about it. Automatically, it will be upgraded to the latest version. Earlier, what happened? Again, you need to buy the latest features from the product company. You have to make the payment. They'll give the license software. Your DB has to install. And again, you have to apply the patches and make sure that everything is working. All this work will be taken by these companies. These companies will take care. Just you have to log in and subscribe and start using the tool or start using the products. Okay. So that's very less expensive when we compare to the on-premises. For example, if on-premises is $100, for example, maintenance per year, then here it is only $50 you need to pay per year. 50% of the cost you are going to save it. That's the advantage with the cloud. It's not only the cloud, just having the servers and install your softwares. The tools and products also provided by the cloud companies. When we talk about Oracle Cloud, what Oracle says to the customers, whatever the softwares you are using, that completely you can lift from your servers and shift into my servers. My servers means indirectly my data center. Indirectly my data center. Okay. If you are interested to use my tools and products, you can use. If you are not interested, just you want to use my infrastructure, just want to use my IT infrastructure, indirectly my servers, no problem. You don't need to subscribe any of my tools and products. Just use the server and make the payment, whatever the server usage you have done. That's all. You don't need to go for subscribe. But if you are interested, I have excellent tools and products in my servers. You can also go for subscribe, but those tools and products, start using it. If you feel comfortable, then go for subscription. If you feel, no, it's not that much useful, okay, leave it, no problem. That's the flexibility you will find when you are in the cloud. For the customers, it will be very advantageous. Okay. So what are the different tools and products we have for Oracle Cloud? Excellent tools given by Oracle. We know that Oracle is one of the database, right? So database is there, which is 23AI. The first database which supports for artificial intelligence. Whatever is required for artificial intelligence, the first database which is going to be supported. Here is Oracle Database 23AI. Then Oracle Apex. Less coding, you can easily build the mobile applications, even web applications. Oracle OSCS, Oracle Integration Cloud Services. You can easily integrate multiple applications and exchange the data. You can easily integrate multiple applications and exchange the data between the applications. Less coding. So you can, it's one of the successful product. So the competitors, earlier it was MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, like that. SOA, even SOA also from Oracle only, old versions. But now OSCS has got very good feedback from the customers, stabilized. And then Oracle VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Services. Excellent tool to build the new applications. Front end, page development. You can easily develop the pages by using this VBCS. Oracle OSCS, Oracle Analytics Cloud. Analytics tool, Recently, FDA, of course, Oracle launched FDA. That's advanced version for this OS. Advanced version for this OS. That's what FDA. And OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, where you can manage all your servers completely. And NetSuite is one of the small scale ERP. It's one of the ERP application. And Oracle Fusion, it's also one of the ERP application. Oracle EBS, it's old ERP. Oracle EBS application, it's old ERP. Like this, we have a lot of tools and products in the Oracle. I have mentioned very few of things here. Well known. Most of the clients will be using. There are some tools which very few people will use. Healthcare records, Cerner, like that it is. But very few clients will be using. Okay. These are the different tools and products are available in the Oracle data centers. As soon as client, okay, I'll move my softwares from my server to Oracle servers, fine. Start using it. In between, if you feel some of the tools are good, okay, I'll go for use the integration point of view. This you can make the subscription. You don't need to installation, nothing. Everything is done by the Oracle. Just you have to make the payment and start using the tool. After 2 months, you came to know, okay, it's not going to be useful for me. Okay, you can stop the subscription. It's as simple as. Okay. So that's the advantage with the cloud. That's why most of the customers nowadays moving into the cloud environment. Easy migration, easy upgradation. Always you are up using the latest versions. And whenever you want, you can use. Whenever you don't want, you can switch off that. It's up to your requirement. The only thing is you need to manage the subscriptions. If you don't want, just go there and inactivate. If you want again after some time, just simply go there and activate and start using it. That's the advantage. Okay. So some customers feel that I can't keep my data in your servers due to some reasons, but I'm okay with some data. For example, ICICI Bank is there. It's one of the banking system. We know that banking has got a lot of security. They are interested to use the cloud. ICICI Bank is interested to use the cloud, but not accounting information, just to maintain their 27,000 employees' data. Only they are coming for their HCM, human capital management. Their customers' data, their accounting data, this all they feel that it's a sensitive information that I don't want to use. I'll maintain my servers. And I want to use your cloud. I'll keep only my employees' data. Okay, no problem. We call it as a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means your client is not moving complete their IT into our cloud, only some part of the data or applications they are putting in the cloud, and remaining they are going to maintain in on-premises. Okay, they need an integration between this on-premises and from the Oracle cloud. This is what we call it as hybrid cloud. Part of the data they'll put it in the cloud, the remaining part they will keep it in their servers, but they'll have an integration between this for data exchange. That's also okay. No problem. It doesn't mean that complete applications you have to lift from your servers and keep it in my servers, right? It's up to the client requirement. It is. Now, going forward, Oracle is going to keep a separate data center for their customers. For example, client is there. If something happens to your data center, what will happen to my data? My entire company should be closed. I can't take the risk, right? That's a valid question from the customer. Now, what Oracle is planning to do is, with artificial intelligence, they wanted to maintain one data center in the client place also. So what AI will do, whatever the update happen end of the day or end of the hour, everything will be updated in their office data center. Even if something happens to this data center, no problem. You have always backup in your office, right? Within hours, I'll go for restore it. But it is possible only through artificial intelligence. It is in process, but going forward, definitely it will be there. Right now, it is not in practically activated, but going forward, Oracle is planning. Oracle CEO Larry Ellison has already clarified that no customer, don't worry about it. I'll maintain separate data center in your office. Okay, then how will you monitor? For example, Oracle has got around 2 lakhs customers across the world. Is it possible maintain all these 2 lakh servers? Every customer will have one server in there. Okay, forget about all the customers. 1 lakh customers are interested to have separate data center in their office also, backup. Then how frequently you can go for update that information in their servers? It's not possible through human. Definitely you need to have the artificial intelligence. Through AI agents, you can keep on update your applications from servers into the individual data centers. But that is a future expectation, not at this point of time. So finally, it's very difficult for the customers without cloud running the IT infrastructure. So that's the reason most of the customers now moving into the cloud environment. Okay. So what Oracle is telling, as I said, these are the different tools and products are available. Out of these tools and products, this product has got very good feedback from the customers. Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. This is what we are going to discuss now. Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. So first we'll understand what is ERP, the history of the ERP, what are different ERPs are available in the market. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. If any enterprises are running the business, means clients, if any client is running the business, maybe automobile sector, manufacturing sector, insurance or banking or education or share market, any retail industry, anything. If any enterprise is doing the business, definitely they will have resources. Resource means their employees, their suppliers, their customers, their machineries, their vehicles, their policies, their business transactions. This is all comes under the resource. We have to use that resources in a proper plan. Then only we will get the better results. Otherwise, difficult. We may lose entire business also. Okay. So when you have some thousands of employees, lakhs of customers, thousands of suppliers, different items, different procurements, sales and other things, branches and all, definitely you need a platform where you need to maintain all this information in a proper format. For that only we use the ERP softwares. So ERP softwares are used to maintain your complete enterprise resource information in a day-to-day proper plan. That's what we call it as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a product, or ERP is a software, or ERP is a business application. We can call it in any way. Okay. It's developed by some companies. There are a number of ERP products. Who are our competitors in the market? SAP is there. It's one of the ERP. Oracle EBS, e-business suite, old ERP. And then PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and then Siebel, then Workday, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics. These are different top level ERPs. There might be some local ERPs which will support for a particular region or small customers, but these all are big ERPs. Big ERP. Even NetSuite also is there, but I have not mentioned here. Tally is there, I have not mentioned here because those all are small. Your client is having 1 branch, 2 branches, and 3 branches. That's fine. Okay, having 1,000 employees, 2,000 employees, they can go with Tally or NetSuite and all. This all ERPs. Your client is having some number of branches, multiple countries, multiple thousands of employees, and lakhs of customers and all. Then definitely we need this platform. Okay. So here, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel are already merged with Oracle. No more PeopleSoft now. No more JD Edwards and Siebel. In 2006, Oracle merged all these 3 companies. Oracle acquired. There might be some existing customers who are already using PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel. Oracle providing the support to them. Okay, no more new customers. If any customer go to Oracle saying that I'm interested to buy the PeopleSoft ERP, Oracle definitely will tell, we are not having any latest upgrades in this product. Still you want to buy, you can buy. Otherwise, better go with my ERPs like Oracle EBS or Oracle Fusion Applications. Latest ERP. That's what Oracle definitely suggests. So if somebody says that I'm not putting any latest features on the product, I don't think so the client will buy that product, right? So now Oracle has got 2 ERPs, Oracle EBS, and Oracle Fusion applications. So in the market right now, if we talk about the competition in the ERP sector, which tools are means SAP and Oracle always. So SAP is there since 1996, even Oracle also from 1997 we have. And Workday we got recently 2000, I think 12, and Salesforce also around 2009. And then Microsoft Dynamics, of course, there in 2007, not up to the mark. Oracle Fusion applications 2015 we got. Now you may get doubt. Oracle is already having one ERP software since 1997. It's more than 25 years. Okay. And they also acquired 3 ERP products, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel. Then why they developed another ERP software? What is the reason behind that? Already 4 ERPs are there in their hand. And of course, one small ERP also is there, NetSuite. NetSuite actually Oracle has not developed. Oracle acquired some cloud companies. So that cloud companies has developed this ERP. So obviously, when you acquire some company, whatever tools and products they have developed, that comes into your account only, right? That's how Oracle got this ERP. Okay, Oracle didn't develop. It's a small ERP. It's like more than Tally, we can say. Okay. So you may get some doubt why Oracle has developed this new product. What is the reason behind this? Because already they got one best ERP since 1997, one of the competitor for the best ERP in the market, SAP. Oracle is giving very good competition since 1997. Then why this new? Why this new application is required? Because nowadays you go to any customer saying that I am from so and so software company. We developed one ERP software. Will you try this ERP software? Yeah, we are interested to use the ERP applications if it is having cloud features. If that ERP is having cloud features, we are interested. If that ERP is having mobility, yes, we are interested. If this ERP is compatible for analytics, yes, we are interested. If this ERP is easy for social integrations, then we are interested. Otherwise, we are not much because already we have ERP. Already we are using one ERP application. It is providing already the standard features, whatever is required for us. But in the market right now, due to digitalization, I need all these features in the ERP product. If you have any ERP product which will support 100% all these things, then I'm interested to listen. I'm interested to see the demo. I would like to attend the workshop also. Then we don't have the answer from Oracle because this ERPs will not support 100% these features. Oracle does not have the answer. Then they identified, yes, we have to build the new ERP. It's not possible to migrate or provide the features with this architecture. It's not possible. Now we have to go ahead with the new one. So that's the reason Oracle developed a new ERP application called Oracle Fusion Applications. That's what Oracle says. This is the next generation ERP software. Next generation ERP software. It has got all the modules, all the features. It is 100% cloud-based. It is having 100% mobility. Mobility means I want to access this product from laptop, smartphone, as well as tab piece. You might have seen you go to restaurant. If you scan it, you will get a menu. Or your waiter will take the order in tab piece. Your salespeople are going to the your customer place. Through mobile, they'll access that information. It means my employees are using, who are there in office, they use desktop. Who are there outside when they are communicating with the customer, sometimes they use smartphone, sometimes they'll use tab piece. But your product should launch without having any issues. It should be launched in all the 3 devices. It should be compatible. I'm looking for that type of ERP. Yeah, this will support 100%. And I'm looking for analytics feature, not analysis. Analysis is there since 20 years. In every ERP software, analysis will be there. If I want to see last 3 months my business, then that's you can easily get. You run the report, trial balance report, or see the procurement report, purchase order reports, or sales report, supplier wise, customer wise, item wise, business unit wise, employee wise. You will get easily. That's a simple reports already developed in the current ERP. Already it's running. But I am looking for analytics. Analytics in the sense, what will be my business in the next quarter? If I run my business like this after 1 year, what will be my business position? Will I get any good income, or will I get any trouble due to my competitors? I am ready to provide all the information. Do you have the platform to analyze all this information and tell me, yes, this is what the prediction? Yes, we have that in Fusion applications. Excellent analytics tools provided by Arc. Only the thing is you need to have a sufficient data. Without sufficient data, I cannot analyze, right? Without sufficient data, I cannot analyze. Yeah. So you need sufficient data for analyze. So when you want to have a sufficient data, you must have a lot of memory and where you can store it. And you need to have an excellent tools to process that. And then you should have excellent tools for a presentation that, right? That's what analytics. This is required for every customer now. Next, I wanted to have an integration with the social sites very easily. For example, I have some requirements. I wanted to post in job sites, LinkedIn. I have 10 job sites. I wanted to post my requirement in all. I'll create a job in my software. I'll just click the button. It should automatically post it in LinkedIn. It should post it in Naukri. It should post it in Monster, Time Jobs, everywhere. It should automatically post it. I need that flexibility. I wanted to have a Facebook account. If I want to publish something about my company or product or launching, or I wanted to wishes something, yes, I wanted to do from this ERP only. So this integration should happen very smoothly. I can develop, no problem. In other ERPs also we can do. But again, you have to develop. But I want an smooth integration, just plug and play. It has to be published. So if you have all these features, then we'll sit and discuss about your ERP and see the demo and conduct the workshop. Then Oracle has thought, okay, these all things are required going forward. Then 2015, they released Oracle Fusion applications into the market. Most of the people who are working in PeopleSoft or Oracle EBS, JD Edwards, and Siebel may think when Oracle is already having 4 ERPs and having good customers in the market, then why they developed the new ERPs? This is the answer for that. This ERPs partially will support. I'm not saying that this will not support 100%, but partially 20%, 30%, 40% will support, not more than that. But I need 100% support. Okay. So that's where the things comes into the picture. So people who are already using PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Oracle, EBS, definitely they have to migrate to Oracle Fusion. Maybe today, after 2 years, or 3 years, or after 5 years. But if they come today, they'll get free of cost or less price. It's definitely it's finally a marketing strategy, of course. End of the day, it's a sales, right? Yeah. So that's about the ERP application we are talking about. So when we say any ERP software, SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce, Dynamics, definitely there will be a 4 domains minimum: finance domain, supply chain management, human capital management, CRM, customer relationship management, PPM, project portfolio management. What's the Oracle Recruitment Cloud? Like this, public sectors, you might find some other things. But majorly we see 4. You take any ERP, finance domains, finance modules will be there, supply chain modules, human capital management modules, CRM modules, 4 modules, 4 domains will be there, sorry. Financials has got around 10 modules, supply chain has got around 5 to 6 modules. Manufacturing is separate, human capital management around 8 modules. CRM, customer relationship management, around 6 to 7 modules. Like this. It's up to the client what modules they want to use. Client is interested to use only supply chain because they got excellent tool which will maintain their accounts. They are not interested to use the finance. Okay, no problem. They can go ahead with supply chain. So in supply chain, mainly we see the procurement, then we see the inventory, then we see the order management, nothing but a sales. But client is telling that I'm having an excellent tool for the sales. I'm already having one software. It's good. My employees are flexible with that. Okay. You can use procurement and inventory, integrate with your sales tool. That flexibility will be there always for the customer from any ERP. It's not only from Oracle Fusion applications point of view. From any ERP, that flexibility will be there. So whenever customer decided, yes, I want to use the Oracle Fusion applications, okay, you want to use Fusion Finance, you want to use Fusion Supply, you want to use Fusion HR, CRM, PPM, like this, different domains. And again, within the domain, different modules, whatever the modules you are interested, that you can go for, buy the subscription and start using this. That's how the projects will be started. Okay. For example, just now we discussed Birla Sun Life Insurance customer. So this customer is interested to use the Oracle Fusion application software, Birla Sun Life. So what Birla company will do is they will communicate with Oracle because Oracle is the product developer, right? So Oracle has developed this software. They'll communicate with Oracle Corporation, get the license or subscription. Earlier we were calling it as a license. Now in cloud environment, we use the word called subscription. They'll go for subscribe. So when client buy this software, Oracle Fusion applications, this is a fresh instance, it's an empty. We are supposed to configure. For configuration, this project will be given to TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Techem, or Gensar, or Infosys. Thousands of Oracle partners are there across the world. Or even Birla company can give this project to Oracle itself. No problem. It's as simple as you buy a car from the showroom. You wanted to do some modifications, you can give it in showroom itself. Or outside authorization centers are there, you will give it there. Right. It's up to the requirement. Same way, these people all are Oracle partners, service partners, IT partners. So now client is interested to give this project to Wipro because of some relation or because of they like Wipro quotation, way of presentation or commitment or whatever the reason. Okay, they given the project to Wipro. Says that 2 years, make sure that all our application software, everything should be in Fusion applications. Then my all these 20,000 employees should use after 2 years Oracle Fusion application software for creation of purchase orders, sales orders, requisitions, quotations, negotiations, everything should do it from Fusion. Okay, 2 years it is. Then what Wipro company will do? They have to recruit the software engineers, right? To execute this project for 2 years, they have to recruit the software engineers. There are two types of consultants in Fusion applications. One is functional, another one is technical. One is functional consultant, another one is technical consultant. In other sector, we call it as software engineers, but in ERP sector, we call it as consultants. Why we call like that consultant? Why don't we call functional developer? Why don't we call technical? Of course, technical developer we call it, but functional we don't call developer. We call it as consultant. So in ERP sector, the reason why we call it as a consultant is ERP is not something you will develop right from the scratch. It's already developed. ERP software means it is already developed by Oracle Corporation. Then what we do? Okay, if it is already developed, then what we do? It is already developed by Oracle Corporation for all the customers, not for only this client, right? So what Oracle has done, Oracle developed this ERP software for all the customers. You are supposed to configure this product according to your requirement. It's as simple as according to your requirement, you are supposed to configure. You are supposed to customize. You are supposed to extend. You are supposed to go ahead with some little bit development also. That's why we call it as a consultant. Because consultant will do the setups, consultant will do the configuration, consultant will do the testing, consultant will do the personalization, customization, extensions. Right. That's why we don't call it as developers in the ERP sector. But nothing wrong. If you call it as a developer also, nothing wrong here. But the official word is a functional consultants and technical consultant. If you say I'm working in Oracle Fusion applications, okay, which domain? Finance or supply or HCM? Supply chain. Okay, in supply chain you are a functional or technical consultant. I am a functional consultant. How about technical? Basic idea about technical. Okay, fine. That's how we'll have an interaction in the technology point of view. Okay. So Wipro company will start recruiting the people, both functional consultants as well as technical consultants, and then they start the project. That's how the projects will be started in Oracle Fusion applications. Okay. So I'll just go for remind all. So we started where? What is cloud? Indirectly virtual servers. If clients are difficult to maintain their own servers, they can move into the cloud. Okay. Our client is interested to move their complete software applications into the cloud environment. They don't want to maintain their own server. Okay, fine. Then who are the companies are available in the market? Who will provide the cloud? So this companies, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud. Okay, how they are providing these servers? They have established data centers across the world, and through the data centers, they are providing the services. How I can connect to Oracle servers? See, Oracle is established data center in Mumbai. I am in Hyderabad, or in Tirupati, or Vijayawada, or Vizag, my offices. How my employees will connect to Mumbai data center? Everywhere it is there in Mumbai or California or London, Singapore, doesn't matter, through internet only. Through internet only we are going to connect. How you are connecting to the YouTube? And where these YouTube servers are there? We don't know actually. We are using free of cost, that's why we don't know. If you are paying the amount, definitely. If you are at a paid service, definitely the company will tell you, we have established these data centers in Los Angeles. Don't worry, it is always safe mode. You can go ahead with using the servers and all they'll tell, right? That's so these companies are providing that through data centers, having excellent cloud computing 24 by 7. The server will be always on, your applications will be always on and everything. It's not only just providing the servers on rental basis, okay? Also providing the tools and products excellent. Oracle has got their own tools and products. Google has got their own tools and products in their servers. Same thing Azure, same thing AWS. Okay. So when client says that no, I don't want your softwares, already I have software applications, I'm okay with that. Okay, no problem. Lift all your softwares from your servers and shift into my cloud environment and start using day to day. No problem. No need to worry about. Just make the payment only for the infrastructure uses. But if you are interested, then go for use my tools and products. In that, Oracle Fusion is one of the latest ERP software, excellent product given by Oracle. Oracle has got already some ERP products in their hands since 20 years, but still Oracle has developed new ERP right from the basics, means right from the scratch. From 2015, they released into the market, which will support for the latest requirements from the client's point of view. Okay. So these all people are obviously competitors. SAP is a competitor, Workday is a competitor, Salesforce. Dynamics is not that much, is okay. But Workday is good in human capital, Salesforce is good in CRM, and SAP is good in supply chain. But Oracle Fusion has got in both. Excellent in finance, supply chain, and human capital. Excellent. Almost it is equal now. It is providing very good competition to the customers. Okay. So whenever any client, okay, decided I want to use Oracle Fusion applications, but I don't want to use all the domains. I just want to use only supply chain management. In supply chain management also, I don't want to use all the modules. I just want to use only procurement and inventory. No problem. You can make the payment only for that two modules, subscription, and start using. So generally, how the clients will go ahead with this, they'll buy the product license or subscription from Oracle and then go ahead with implementation or support with Oracle company or Oracle partners. They'll give the project. Well, let's say Wipro has got the project and they start recruiting the functional and technical. So two jobs will be there, functional and technical. Okay. Now, we are learning the functional consulting. This is what the course. Oracle, Fusion, Cloud, ERP, Supply Chain Management. Now I hope everybody is clear what is cloud, what is ERP, what is supply chain management. Redwood and AI, you will come to know tomorrow. Tomorrow's session, I'll go for explain what is Redwood and what is AI, why we required, is it mandatory to learn this? That we will be discussing tomorrow. And today almost we went 50% of the session is theory part, almost. But tomorrow and day after tomorrow, complete practical with assignment I'll show you. Because today we have covered, because we need all this history behind this. Otherwise, it's very difficult to come to know why we need, what we are doing, which job we are trying, is it worthy or not, this and that. Right? Yeah. So before we go for the next topic, can you please go ahead? Any doubts you have, please? You can unmute yourself and ask me. I'm here to explain.
So I have one doubt.
Yes.
So currently I'm working in services sector. So when I'm learning SCM, supply chain management as a functional consultant, will it be useful for me in services sector itself? As you said that we do it according to the requirement.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, no problem. It will be useful. You are working already in the any one of some software you will be using, right? So
Correct.
definitely this was going to be helpful. The same
Because
thing, because the existing small and medium applications, most of the clients nowadays not interested to use, because for the same cost you are going to get this big ERPs, right? So
yeah, so
most of
because
the
my company is moving to Oracle Cloud,
yeah
where it is for services. So if I
yes.
learn SCM, so services will also be useful as it is, right, sir?
Yes, you can go ahead. No problem.
Okay. So one last question, please don't mind.
Yeah.
Will we be getting the recording links for our
Yes.
reference?
I'm going to explain now next level,
Okay.
the training
Thank you, sir.
advantages.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Hi, good morning.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I just want to confirm that this session is for how to use it or only explanation of this one. Because I just want to confirm because I'm using the Oracle Fusion. So I'm a supply chain engineer.
Okay.
I'm using this Oracle Fusion only, the same AI which you're talking about.
This is completely practical.
But I just want to know what is completely by what type of explanation you are giving. But I want to show that because tomorrow I have to join. I have to get phone now permission from my office and I joined your session
Yeah.
because I am working in the field of oil and gas in mechanical in Saudi
Got it.
Arabia.
Got it.
But I just want to know. I'm planning to move to India as a engineer. Planning to move to India for IT. So I
Yeah.
just want to know how it is applicable for me to implement that one.
You can either try it there itself. Most of the Middle East countries and other area sector, they are started using. Earlier they might be using some other ERPs. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so it will be helpful always to go ahead with as
Okay.
a functional, and you can come to in India and you can try it here also, no problem. And
Okay. The same
tomorrow
skill which
and day
you're
after,
using is the one I'm using also.
yes. So tomorrow and maybe you are using as an end user, might be for creation of the purchase orders or work orders or
Yes.
requisitions, quotations, negotiation, or maybe you are using it for the self-information update, employee self-service, manager self-service like this, checking your pay slips and other personal details and all, right?
For these
So
also,
that
I'm making orders, POs, and other things and all.
yeah, that's from the end user perspective or super user perspective you'll be doing. But this is something what we are doing as an consultant configuration, setup and maintenance. So how we will configure this product to the client. For example, we are creating purchase orders, different levels of
Mm.
approvals based on the item, based on the location, based on the
Yes.
amount, based on the inter-org transfers. So how we are going to restrict security approvals, setups, configurations will be doing. So tomorrow class I'll be doing one assignment. Day after tomorrow also I'll be doing one assignment practically, so that you will come to know what
Okay.
exactly we do in the product as a functional consultant and how the clients are going to use that, means from end user prospect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Chandra sir. This is
Go ahead.
Sachin.
Yes, go ahead.
So I have a couple of questions here. Firstly, as you said, there have been multiple layoffs in Oracle.
Yeah.
So how will this course will be helpful to us in a long
Yeah,
term?
I'm going to answer that in the next 5 minutes.
Okay. And also, could you please help me with the placement assistance thing, if you can?
Placement part I'll be explaining on the third demo last 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Third
Thank you.
demo means day after tomorrow. Last 5 minutes we'll be discussing about the placements part.
Okay, done. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Yes.
Yeah, as part of this course, Fusion Cloud SCM, so what
Okay.
are all the modules will cover? So may I know that?
Syllabus part. Now I'm going
Yes,
to explain.
I'm PO, I procurement and everything and PO in. So
That's what I'm going to
just one.
explain a very high level. Now, what are the modules we are going to discuss now in 5 minutes?
And I just want to know that how many months it will be take this course. I
It will
mean,
be 2.5 months.
okay. So and you are providing the access respectively, right? So for the
Server,
practice.
see the videos you can always download. You will
Okay,
have lifelong, and the server access will give it 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah,
Sir,
Okay.
that is refreshed or non-refreshed,
it
something
will
they
be
say.
refreshed. It will be refreshable instance only because non-refresh we have non-refresh instance also, but the problem is, let's say we are working on the purchase order approval. Someone has done something wrong. Then we cannot practice that because it will never get reset. Okay. So someone has created some accounting issues, transaction accounting issues. They got some problem. So definitely I can't use. Non-refreshable instance we are ready to provide. But in that, if some issue occurs from finance or HCM, if it is supply chain, we can rectify. If it is something finance or or some other sector, then we can't do. Even Oracle will not refresh. Then how we do the practice? We have to leave that option. But if it is refreshable, for example, Thursday we got some issue. By Sunday it will be refreshed. We can go ahead Monday onwards using that. So there won't be any problem. Always I suggest go ahead with the refreshable instance. We have no issues to provide non-refreshable instance, but the problem is that if we are using refreshable instance, maybe we will be doing all our setups every week or every 2 weeks. Okay, it will it will take 30 minutes to 45 minutes, but for learners, for people who are learning, it is always advantage because this is a new product and we will be having a lot of navigations and all these things. For example, when I am attending for the interviews, they'll ask me, can you tell me the navigations part for the PO approval configuration? Or something in purchase order form, I wanted to update carrier field, where you will do, which task you will do it. So if I do it multiple times, definitely it will be helpful when you are attending for the interviews because you have done multiple times because of this refresh. Because of this refresh, multiple times we have done. So for learners, refreshable instance is better. And also the disadvantage with the non-refreshed instances that, yeah, we do have both, but we never encourage uh, non-refreshable instance. If student asks, we are ready to provide. But if student raise some doubt, account is not working, then I can't do anything. If it is related for supply chain, we can do it. Yeah. If it is refreshable, no problem. It will be always done. Yeah. So choosing the supply chain or human capital management, both are good. Both are good in the market, right? So it's up to your interest, supply chain or HCM. So HCM is something related for the HR activities. Supply chain is for the procurement, inventory is like complete. So clients obviously they go for both supply chain as well as for the human capital. Both they will go ahead. But HCM has got first success. human capital management, first success. Now supply, finance is good already. Supply chain is now the turn to the supply chain. Okay. So now I'm coming to the classroom recording. So every class it will be recorded. Every class it will be recorded and it will be shared. So through Google Drive, we are going to share. You can download and keep all this. Complete training will happen through practical. We will provide you the documentation also. In the training itself, there will be a resume preparation as well as I'll provide you the client names. You can go ahead with the preparation. And interview preparation, I will provide you the FAQ Udemy courses. It is one of the excellent advantage from RTL. There are many other institutions providing the supply chain management course. I don't want to name it. So only RTL is providing module wise. We are providing 5 modules: inventory module, procurement, order management, receipt accounting, costing, receipt accounting and cost accounting. Of course, sub-modules we have supplier portal. We have all this. Detailed syllabus will be discussing tomorrow. So we have the complete inventory, procurement, self-service procurement, sourcing, supplier portal, supplier qualification, order management, pricing, cost accounting, receipt accounting, and obviously we have to have an integration with finance. So we'll be talking about procure to pay cycle and order to cash cycle. That time we'll go ahead with the basics of GL, AP, and we'll also go with some technical part here it is. Okay. So this is a detailed document. I'll be explaining you this tomorrow. Detailed document. So topic wise, I'll explain what are the things we are going to cover. Complete, I'll explain it tomorrow. Okay. So as soon as the module completed, inventory module, we took around 2 weeks. We have done the setups and everything. Module is completed. Immediately, I'll give you the FAQ course in the Udemy. So what you can find over there is complete question and answer. It's not just having question and answer in the notepad, it's complete navigation. For example, the question is, when user is logged into the application and try to perform some transaction, is not able to find the item. Can you tell me the answers? So I will show you where exactly we are supposed to check that troubleshooting activities and where we try to do the setups. So this FAQ course you don't find from any other institution module wise. So this will make you perfect because when you are learning some course, you have to have first complete project oriented training, real-time training you require. After that, you have to prepare a resume. Then you have to prepare for interviews. Then you have to go for attend the face-to-face interviews. And then you are supposed to go, you need a support from our institution, complete server access or data access or the complete interview FAQs and all. So we are providing that module wise inventory module. These are the questions. PO module. These are the questions. You can search in Udemy and Udemy. We know that one of the platform I already provided in that platform. If you search Oracle, Fusion Cloud, SCM, FAQs. So here you can find which is my FAQ courses. Okay. So you are going to get this course. It costs around 800. You will see 4 courses. One is for inventory. One is for purchasing. Another one is for order management. Another one is a receipt accounting and cost accounting. So this all you are going to get free of cost. That is required. So you will have a full-fledged training part from RTL. Okay. Now Oracle is doing the layoff. When Oracle is doing some layoff, you just read the description in that newsletter. most of the layoffs happened. NetSuite and Cerner Healthcare. Oracle acquired this company, Cerner company, in 2021, I think, 2020. It's one of the healthcare company in US they acquired in 2020. And Oracle actually did not perform much in the healthcare. Healthcare sector, actually, Cerner was the number one. Oracle acquired in 2020. And somehow Oracle is not able to have that much of credibility through the healthcare sector so far. Maybe in future they may gain, but last 3-4 years they are struggling, and they try to put more prices on the point of view. Somewhere they got mess up with the healthcare sector. You can see that these two things got affected. And another one is artificial intelligence. When we talk about artificial intelligence point of view, there is a chat GPT, right? And there is a Gemini AI, right? Then there is a Copilot. There is a Perplexity. These all are generative AIs. It will generate the data. It will generate the videos. It will generate the images, right? Generative AIs. Oracle also has thought we also need one type of generative AI for us, like this. Like Copilot is from Microsoft. Gemini AI is from Google. ChatGPT, of course, or even the OpenAI, but behind Microsoft, right? And Perplexity, someone has developed, and finally someone has acquired. Same way, Oracle also was planning to have their own generative AI. But finally, what I feel personally, it's difficult to go ahead with this. And again, it's a different game. It's not that much easy to go ahead into the market. Like these people has already established, they started earnings also, and they gained confidence from the customers and subscribers. So they stopped. So Oracle has stopped building their own generative AI, and I think that entire AI team they have washed out. They laid off that entire AI team immediately. Within 2 days. They have tie up with Gemini and ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT they are still in discussion. Gemini AI they are already in this. So now Oracle is planning to use Gemini AI for generative AI features in the cloud ERP or anywhere. What I feel personally is Oracle was planning to have their own generative AI tool like this, but finally they given hands up and okay, let's go with the existing one, Gemini. You can see that here. Oracle Gemini AI. You can read the complete thing, then you can understand. Oracle Gemini AI refers to Google Gemini models such as Gemini 2.5 Flash in OCA. OCA means indirectly Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud only. Indirectly Oracle Cloud. So might be Oracle has tried to develop their own LLM models. They felt it's difficult. So why don't we go with tie up with someone else who are already market leader? And they went. So obviously there will be a layoff in that set. So I feel that way. Okay, there might be some reasons due to any other reason, but majorly is this. You see some Fusion applications or Oracle database, nothing is happening in that. Yeah. So I suggest you to go for if there is any Oracle layoffs. See, read complete description, then you will come to know exactly in which location, which technology, and mid-level management and senior level management. Most of the things will happen. Obviously, due to this artificial intelligence, then mid-level and senior level, definitely there will be some impact on that in any sector. In any sector, there will be impact on that. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss the complete application, how it
Timings,
looks
what
like.
time, sir? Timings?
Oh, sorry,
Timing, class timings?
8:30 a.m. is same time only.
Okay, sir.
Chandra Sudhir
8:30
here.
to
I just have one question.
Yeah.
Regarding the Redwood. So I wanted to know like what is the scope of Redwood which will be covered in this training?
Tomorrow we'll be discussing that. I'll be showing that complete Redwood options and what we discuss and what the clients are expecting now from that.
Sure.
Yeah.
We can download the recordings, no, sir?
Yeah, this demo sessions, you can get it from YouTube channel from RTL. You can go for subscribe for this. Immediately it will be uploaded in another 1 hour. 3 demos. And regular classes, we will provide you through Google Drive. You can download always, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Let's see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Good